We have this bedraggled looking Meiwuka hybrid clone thing that hasn't busted into flower yet. A lot of black spot on this. This may be reduced this year. There are some blooms forming. We have first generation cyclamen seedling blooming, so that's really exciting. We have some crocuses blooming, of course. It was a pretty mild winter so far. I've spent a lot of time pruning some of these oak trees up a little bit to clear up some space. And I just chopped and dropped, trying to build the soil fertility a little bit. Everything is slowly waking up. You probably can't see it, but this nice ribes is about to bloom, moving in where the majority of the attention's been focused. This year is a year for vegetables, and so this is the vegetable patch. This will be a potato patch. I have my potatoes getting ready inside, and I'll plant them pretty soon here after spreading this a little bit better. Here's my cloche with some seedlings going already. I have some radishes, daikon radish, and arugula that are just coming up. So this will be the main garden bed. Some other points of interest. This lovely hellebore is in full swing right now.